Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Google Admin Console. It will be really simple and easy. So signing in to your Google Admin Console requires you to do the following. Make sure you have an admin account in any web browser of your liking. You have to visit admin.google.com, then press add account. You will automatically redirect it to the Google admin signing in page. In your username sector, type your administrator account name, then fill in your admin password and opt in by clicking signing in. Now can you sign into the Google admin console without an administrator account? So the answer is no. You can only sign into the Google admin console if you have an administrator account. Can you sign into the Google admin console with your Gmail? So the answer is again no. You cannot sign into the admin console using a Gmail account since the administrator account email is different and doesn't end in gmail.com. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to sign into Google Admin Console. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.